Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for Meijer. To sign up for a Meijer account, the first thing you'll need to do is to open your Meijer application. If you don't have the Meijer application downloaded, go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store and download the app first. Once it is done, launch it open. In the first interface of Meijer, you will now need to tap on Create Account at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on Create Account, go ahead and fill in your information in the text boxes. Type in your first name, your last name, an email address, and the password you are trying to use for the account. Go ahead and fill in the information carefully. While typing in an email, make sure to type in the email you have access to, and right where it says password, create a strong password that is at least 8 to 15 characters long, which contains an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a number. Finally, tap on the Continue button at the bottom. On the next page, type in a phone number that you'd like to associate with your account. Enter a 4-digit PIN, and if you want to receive weekly ads on your email, tap on this little box at the bottom. If you want to receive notifications when promos and deals are available, tap on this next box as well. You can also go ahead and uncheck the boxes if you don't need those services and tap on Continue at the bottom. Now, on the next page, choose your store. In order to search for a store, tap on Share My Location, or you can also manually search for the store by tapping on Search Stores option. Enter your city's name or your zip code. Once you type in the city's name or the zip code, it'll present you with the list of stores that you can choose from. Go ahead and select a store and tap on Start Shopping. And soon after you are done with it, you will be able to create a new account for Meijer. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.